Hey guys, how you doing? My name is Bill. Today we're going to be looking at the Tomlov handheld digital microscope. Now you can see right now it is turned on. It's pointed down at my black mat. But what we're going to be looking at today is I went out today and I almost got stung, guys. But I got myself a wasp nest. We're going to go ahead and we're going to put it under the microscope now. Here it comes. And as you can see, there is larvae inside. Let's see if I can get a good picture of one. Let me spin it around here. There's one. Oh, come here. There we go. Now let's get a nice close up. Oop. There we go. And you see it's eating right now. That orange stuff on the side of the nest. As you can see there's that orange stuff right here. And it's eating. You can see it eating right now. And that's a wasp larva. Isn't that neat, guys? You can get it even closer. There we go. Look at that. This is an amazing microscope. This thing cost me $29. You can find it on Amazon. There'll be a link in the description to tell you you can if you want to buy it. You can go to the link and it'll take you to Amazon. Okay, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video of the Tomlov digital microscope. This has been taken on the app. You can also do it on your PC, but you can't zoom in on your PC. On the app, you can. And you see I'm zooming out. Here's some more larvae over here. If we keep spinning it around, we'll find even more. And see that red stuff? That's what it's eating. Maybe we can find another one. There's some more. One there. There's another one. Let me spin this around. Let's see, where'd it go? Okay, well, you guys see what it is. There it is. Oh well. Anyway, you guys can see exactly how good this microscope is. And like I said, it's only $29, guys. $29 gets you this microscope that you can use to look at plants, bugs. I had a snail under the microscope earlier, a live snail. That was pretty neat. Alright, guys, you guys have an awesome day. Hope you enjoyed the video. Give it a like, subscribe to my channel, and until next time, guys, bye.